Welcome, my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people to D Don Kitchen. We are at it again. Guess what? We will be doing garlic fried chicken. Let's dive into it. Here is 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of Sazon powder, half teaspoon paprika, garlic. So it's garlic chicken. It's a lot of garlic right here, about 9 cloves. Or if you even have more, you can use more. So this 1, 2, 3, yeah, about 9 cloves, 9, 10 cloves. And 1 tablespoon of the garlic powder. 1 egg. Some oil for frying. I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want to fry with. And this is about 3 pounds of chicken. I already rinsed the chicken in lemon water and pat dry. You have to ensure that you pat dry your chicken. And like the skin part, you look on anything you see like feather on, like this. See, you don't want this. You don't want to be eating all of this. So you pop them out, pluck them out, okay? Like a feather, pluck it out, or you can always cut it off. All these fat, you can always cut them out. So, and you're gonna need your skillet for frying. So guys, now you're just gonna combine combine everything together. My head rolling away. Come on, don't go any further. Stop there. Yeah, the egg here meat stop. So you mix everything around. And then you're gonna pour this on top of the chicken. And you wanna rub it in. I put my gloves on because you don't want your nails to be yellow when you finish with all these seasoning. So you just rub it in, okay? And for the eggs, you're gonna crack the egg, right? This is the high sitting right on the yolk of the egg, right here. This thing make whatever you're doing very raw. So as long as you move it, you see I hold it, it's very slippery sometimes. Right. See, it's there. See how thick it is and white. Look at it. So always make sure you move these things. Sometimes you're eating your egg and you feel something on your tongue, is it. When you look, you see a little white thing, that's the high. See your next piece there? Thus, you remove it. And now we're gonna whisk the egg. And you're gonna pour the egg over on the chicken, just like that. And the garlic, you're gonna compress the garlic, right? So beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. So when D Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. This is the garlic, and you want to rub everything in. And you're going to cover and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. It's best you cover and let it marinate overnight. Then all that aroma, all that seasoning will soak in it to the bone. So we're gonna cover and let it marinate. And I see you again, guys, in 2 hours, 2 hour time. So now my beautiful people, it's now 2 hours, and you just need to ensure that the skillet is well hot, and then you pour the oil in. Now we're gonna place our chicken in. You hear that sizzle, guys? Yeah. When you put it in, you're supposed to hear that sizzle. So we don't need any flour now. You can fry your chicken without flour. And it's looking like this. Within 10 minutes, I'm gonna turn and let you see. So now my beautiful people, it is now 10 minutes, and we're gonna turn our chicken. See how beautiful it's looking. So you can always fry your chicken without using flour. Don't need any flour. So now I'm gonna cover. Yeah, you wanna cover. Move this leg from here, taking up a lot of space, and get the tie over there. Yeah, put the leg on the outer part, right? Turn it over. So with medium heat, you're just gonna cover, and in the meantime it's frying. The oil will penetrate in, so it will soak also on the inside. You just don't want the outside brown and the inside is raw. So just cover, and you want to turn your fire like medium heat. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna be working on some more of the garlic. The same thing that I do before, I will be doing more garlic, because this is garlic chicken, fried chicken. So you can use any amount of garlic that you want to use. So I'm just gonna cover and set aside. Beautiful people, it's time to check in. 10 more minutes now. And you want to turn over again. You see it looking nice, real delicious and tender. So you flip on the next side so you can try to. I just want to cover back the pot and give it 10 more minutes again. So this is our garlic. It's 10 cloves of garlic. You will be placing this in the microwave. That's for 1 minute. If you don't have a microwave, you can put it in the frying pan, the skillet on the fire just for 1 minute and turn it off. Keep turning, right? So I'm placing this in the microwave, as I said before, for 1 minute. Let us check in again. 5 more minutes. That's 25 minutes. In all, it's going to be 30 minutes, half an hour. In half an hour time, your chicken is supposed to be ready. So you just want to flip over on the side and you just want to make sure everything is soaked. So within the next 5 minutes, guys, our chicken is ready. Half an hour garlic chicken. It's looking beautiful. Mouth watering, the aroma is in the air. So my beautiful people, our chicken is ready. So I'm just going to remove them from the pot. And here I have some Irish potatoes. I just peel it. So I will be frying these to add with the chicken. So just let me remove these from the pot. So beautiful looking, guys. Yummy. And how do you know that the fried chicken is ready? I mean, you insert a fork and it go right through. See? You insert the fork and it goes right through, knocking on the plate. You can hear it's knocking on the plate. Let me show you. It's hot, really hot. This is the teeth. That's the teeth of the fork right there. You can see it right there. And you see, very soft and yummy. So I'm gonna place the Irish potato in the pot to fry now. These potatoes I'm frying, I'm just gonna give it 10 minutes. 5 minutes on each side. Just wanna add these potatoes with the garlic fried chicken. So in the meantime, this is frying. Let me just get out the way for 10 minutes. So, hey, my beautiful people, the chicken is now ready. So what make it be the garlic chicken? You're just gonna sprinkle the garlic over on it. And there I also have the potato that I just fry on the side. Irish potato. So guys, I think you should give this a try. Like and share. Subscribe. I love you all. Peace. One love. My beautiful people. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.